Hey guys, Coach Miller here from the Sports Advantage team to talk to you more about speed mechanics. Now, in our last video, we'd like to talk about the falling start and how it's used to help your athlete get into proper alignment when they take off so that their acceleration phase is going to be the most beneficial to them. Alright, like I said in the previous video there, you want to make sure that you're in proper alignment so you can accelerate to your potential and get yourself up to top speed. Now, taking a step from that, for today's video, I want to focus more on the arm action to help you when you start to run, okay? So, when you take your athlete, you can tell them to take a knee, all right? You tell them to take a knee, and we work on arm action. Now, with arm action, you want to make sure you're working on keeping your arms in proper alignment. I'll go in a side view so you can see that. You want to make sure your arm is at a 90-degree bend, all right? So that you can get a full swing through your shoulder, all right? Proper landmarks you want to use are a cheek and your hip. Or, in some cases, you can just say cheek to cheek, okay? So, with that, you want to take one arm, you want to put it up at your cheek, you want to put your back arm at your hip, all right? From that point, you want to work on a good full swing through. So, a good way to do that is you can go through drills like single arm action, or double, or triple. Now, with that, you're going to work on trying to go as fast as you can, going to 1 point, all right? 1 point at a time. So, I'm going from my cheek all the way back down into my hip. And then when I go forward again, I want to do that same thing, pumping as fast as I can, being aggressive, all right? Training the body to go as fast as you can, just in practice, makes it so it's a more natural feel once you get up to full speed. So you don't feel like you're having to overwork or really push yourself to get to that top speed because you practice being at that level over and over, all right? So, going through, you want to work on good single arm action. So like I said here, you're going to go through here every time, take a few pauses in between. Fast you can, fast you can, fast you can, fast you can. If you're doing this right, you should feel your body almost jump a little bit off the ground because you're pulling that much force through. Now taking a step from that, you can work on what's called double arm action. All right, so with that, you're going through, one arm up. Every time you go through, still having a good pause in between. 1, 2, fast you can. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, that's another one. Last one you can do is what we call triple arm action. Now, a triple arm action, that's just going through 1, 2, 3. Still pumping through. 1, 2, 3. Notice how I'm still trying to work on swinging through my shoulder, driving that elbow back and punching that arm forward. All right, if that means you have to slow yourself down to be able to do it, that's okay. Slow yourself down so you're making sure you're still working on that good technique to swing through your shoulder and bring it back. What you don't want to see yourself do is when you're in that position, start to come down and feel like you're doing a chop. All right, you don't want to do a karate chop. You want to get the full swing through your arms. All right, now with the full swing through your arm, you're also doing that and you're also helping to pull your legs. All right, because your arms and legs work together just like when you're walking, when you're jogging, or when you're running. Arms and legs always work together. So the more you can work on getting your arms into play, the more you're going to bring your legs into play. All right? Hope this helps you out, and I'll see you guys next time.